Close your eyes for a second. Imagine you're flying over a mountain, meeting people you've never seen, or talking to someone who passed away years ago. Then suddenly, you wake up and realize it was all just a dream. But have you ever wondered why we dream? What's really happening in our brain while we sleep? Are dreams random images or secret messages from our mind? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of dreams, what science says about them, what ancient thinkers believed, and what modern researchers have discovered about why we dream and what they mean. By the end of this video, you'll see that dreams are not just nighttime stories. They are windows into how our brain thinks, feels, and heals itself. Part 1. What happens when we sleep? To understand dreams, we first need to understand what happens when we sleep. Our sleep has 5 stages, and the most important one for dreaming is called REM sleep, short for rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, your eyes move quickly under your eyelids, your heart rate and breathing increase, and your brain becomes almost as active as when you're awake. But here's the twist. Your body is paralyzed during this stage. That's why you don't physically act out your dreams. Most dreams occur during REM sleep, and that's why we often wake up from vivid, emotional, or bizarre dream scenes. Scientists call REM the dream stage, but the mystery remains. Why do we dream at all? Part 2. Theories on why we dream. Let's explore the main scientific theories that try to explain why we dream. 1. The memory processing theory. This theory says dreams help us organize and store memories. When we sleep, our brain reviews the day, keeping important information and deleting the useless parts. Dreams may be the brain's way of connecting experiences, solving problems, and turning short-term memories into long-term ones. That's why students who study before sleep often remember better, because the brain keeps working, sorting, and linking information. 2. The emotional healing theory. Another powerful idea is that dreams help us process emotions. If you've had a stressful day or a heartbreak, you might dream about conflict, falling, or crying. Dreams act like emotional therapy. They let your brain replay events in a safe space and help you understand or release feelings. In fact, research shows people who are deprived of REM sleep often feel more anxious or irritable the next day because they didn't get their emotional reset. 3. The activation synthesis theory. Proposed by scientists Hobson and Macaulay, this theory says dreams are basically your brain's way of making sense of random signals. When we sleep, our brainstem fires electrical impulses that activate different parts of the brain, visuals, memories, emotions, all at once. Our higher brain then tries to create a story from these random activations, and that story becomes your dream. So, according to this theory, dreams don't always mean something deep. They're just the brain trying to create order from chaos. 4. The problem-solving theory. Have you ever gone to bed stuck on a problem and woke up with a solution? That's not magic. It's your subconscious mind at work. Famous examples. The scientist Kekulé discovered the ring structure of benzene after dreaming of a snake biting its own tail. Paul McCartney said the tune for Yesterday came to him in a dream. Dreams allow our mind to think creatively without logic or limitation. That's why solutions can appear effortlessly in dreams. 5. The threat simulation theory. One evolutionary theory says dreams help us practice survival. Ancient humans faced danger daily. Wild animals, attacks, hunger. Dreams might have evolved as a mental training ground, where our ancestors could rehearse threats safely. So when you dream about running, falling, or being chased, it might be your brain's way of preparing you to handle real fear in the waking world. Part 3. Do dreams have meaning? Now, this is the most debated question. Do dreams mean something? In ancient civilizations like Egypt, Greece, and India, dreams were seen as messages from gods or the subconscious mind. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, believed dreams reveal our hidden desires and thoughts. For example, he said if you dream of climbing stairs, it might symbolize ambition or desire. Modern science, however, says that while not all dreams are symbolic, they do reflect our emotions, thoughts, and recent experiences. So yes, sometimes dreams are meaningful, not in a magical way, but as a mirror of our mind. So tonight, when you go to sleep, remember, your brain isn't shutting down. It's telling you a story. Thank you for watching. If you loved exploring this topic, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my 100 Days of Learning series, where we uncover the wonders of science, technology, and the human mind in simple language. Sleep well.